with another unboxing for the Mary Maxim quarterly sock club of the month. So what it is a sock mystery blind bag kind of thing that you get once every 3 months. And you never know what you're going to get. So that's why I like doing it. This kit, I believe, is the April, May, and June kit. Because I ordered 2 because I like the color and wanted another, a little bit more of it. So, well, this one is, boom, right here. There we go. This is my first quarterly sock bag in a while, but it came with this pattern, which I probably won't use. I've been knitting socks now for a little over a month, and I've got my own pattern. I've found it fits my foot really well. If you would like a video on that, let me know. Yeah. But anyway, it looks like this one has a heel flapping gusset. This is a super fine Mary Maxim Merino, size 1. It calls for a set of 4 double pointed needles at 2.75. Personally, I do not knit my socks with 2.75s. If I was following the pattern completely, yes, I would. But I prefer size 0, 2 millimeters, and size 00 for the cuff. Yeah. It looks like this is a top-down sock, cuff down, and you have to graft the toe together with the Kitchener or your, favorite grafting technique. Yeah. Let's look at the yarn. Sometimes the yarn they send doesn't match the pattern color, but this month is pretty close. And who doesn't love this bag? The bags are awesome. But anyway, so we got the Mary Maxim Merino in, what color is it? All right, guys, you know what I got to do. I've got to put my glasses on my glasses because I'm getting on up there. All right, so it's 100 gram skein or hank. Fingering weight, 440 yards, 100% superwash merino. 100 grams, 3.5 ounces. Needle size it recommends is a 1 through a 3, 2.25 to a 3.25. And the gauge is 7 to 8 stitches per inch. Me personally, I'd rather knit on the 2.0s and get 9 to 10 stitches per inch. But that's just me. So here we go. This is it. It is beautiful. Color may vary depending on your screen, but for me, it's just about the same color. Maybe a little turquoise-ish. I don't know, but anyway. So, I do not have a Swift to turn this into a center pull. I will soon, and then we will do a video on how to do it. We'll learn together. I've purchased many hanks, but have never actually wound them up. So when I said that I wanted more of this color because I really liked it, and I don't know if I'll make socks out of it. I may just make a like a cardigan or something, because superwash merino is great for socks, but I like nylon in my socks. Helps them hold up better. And then you could also put a strand of nylon or elastic or something with it to help it hold up better. But anyway, so here's my two. Mary Maxims. Yeah. So, usually what I do is I have two different accounts. I just get the extras on my second account because you can get points with Mary Maxim, and I want most of my points to go to the same account. But anyway, I really do appreciate you guys sitting and watching and taking the time to spend with me. And I really do appreciate it so much. But yeah, guys, if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. If you did not like the video, give me a thumbs down. Let me know what you like. That way I can make videos and share content that you like. And yeah, so we're at that point in the video. So guys, please tell the people in your life you love them, because you never know if you're ever going to get another chance. All right, guys. Bye.